This is a quick video to show how many construction workers are in Willowbrook at the moment doing repairs. These are all the construction worker vehicles. Please, as we're driving by, realize that this is only for about 5 or 6 open buildings. This is how extensive the repairs are and how many people are required. And this doesn't even include all the vehicles that are in Willowbrook from all the builders in the community as well. As you can see, there's more vehicles down on the end and more workers down there as well. And that's it.